Gusto mo bang makalipat agad kahit hindi pa fully paid? Yes, pwede na ngayon yan dito sa Pacific Town Naik. Townhouse unit with 42 square meters lot area and 42 square meters floor area. May provision for 2 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath, carport, at may fence and gate pa. Reservation, 5,000 pesos lang. At ang best part, pwede ka nang lumipat habang nagda-down payment ka pa lang. Libre ang move-in fee, kuryente at tubig na connection. At HOA juice for 1 year. May clubhouse, basketball court, playground, at 24/7 gated security with CCTV kompleto para sa buong pamilya. Welcome to Pacific Town Naik, a growing community sa Barangay Halang, Naik, Cavite. Malapit sa shopping strip, flood-free, at mabilis ang turnover. Ang unit, townhouse with 42 square meters lot area at 42.34 square meters floor area. May provision for 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, at may libreng gate at fence na rin. May basketball court, playground, at clubhouse. Safe at secured dahil may gated community with CCTV. Mag-reserve na for just 5,000 pesos. Down payment, 4,958 pesos lang per month for 48 months. Pag-ibig amortization, 11,011 pesos per month lang. Pero ang pinakapanalo dito, pwede ka nang lumipat habang nagda-down payment ka pa lang. Yes, no need to wait. Libre ang move-in fee. Kung naghahanap ka ng affordable, secured, at ready to move in home, Pacific Town Naik na yan. Message us today and reserve your unit bago ka maubusan.